What's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at SPY. So, obviously the day closed. We got an implosion on Snapchat earnings after the bell, kind of dragging the rest of the market down. So, today not a bad day. It was a little choppy, but a lot of stocks, finished green. They kind of, slowly trickled higher. If we just take a look at the S&P 500, it was up actually $7 on the day, almost 2%. So we did close at 396.92. Currently in the after hour session, we're trading at around 394. One thing that I do kind of want to, keep in mind is that if we just kind of go back 1 week to like last Tuesday and Wednesday where we had the really big decline and then we kind of started to bounce and then we had a big decline on Friday followed by that, last hour rally candle. Is this setting up a little bit of a bull trap here, right? Because if we kind of look at it, this could be considered to some type of bear flag forming, right, on a bigger time picture. Now, I know it's not the most perfect bear flag, right? So if we kind of just look at the decline here, and then we look at the bounce, and then we had another decline here. So if we kind of say that this was the first sort of, bull flag, bear flag, and then it broke down, okay? Well, is this kind of another, just a bigger flag here, right? So what I kind of want to look at here is that if on the 1 hour time frame, because this is going to give us our most recent data from this most recent pullback that we had on Friday. So we had this nice pullback, then we had this nice bounce, right? If we do start to lose the 50-day moving average, right, we've got room down. So that price is going to be 392.35. That's going to give you room into 391.21. And anything below the 391.21 Bollinger Band is going to take us to 389. So 389, I would be looking for some support, maybe for a short-term bounce. If we do decide to drop, I would look for that bounce and any kind of weakness and then loss of 389 would spell the bigger leg down to test at 380. Is that going to happen? I don't know. Today was setting up really, really good for, why did I do that? Today was setting up really, really good for a nice breakout. You can see from the big decline here, we had a bounce. We did get a continued flush, right? We never put in a new low. We got the bounce and we closed at the top of the range. This is very, very bullish. Like we, as soon as we were to get over the price here of around 398, this had a nice shot back up to 406, 407. That would be the long trade that I would be looking to get in over 398 into the 407. All of this other madness here is just madness. I don't want to be trading in between all of this supply and demand. I'm going to get chopped up here. I need room. I'm an options trader. I need more room for a bigger trade that's going to present bigger profits. And for me, that's a loss of the 50-day moving average on the 1 hour time frame of 392.43. I'm going to be looking for a price target down here in 390.389. Okay, I want to cover my position there. I want to see what we do. Do we break 389? Do we back test that? If we get a flush through 389, I want to take this short position. I have intentions of getting this SOB down to 380. Does it happen? I don't know, but I'm going to try to manage my position enough to try to get it back down there at 380. Now, what about for everyone that wants the market to bounce? I want the market to bounce as well, but I needed to get over all the supply. So all of these last 2 or 3 days worth of price action, all this nastiness area between 380 and 400, this 20-point range of just pure choppiness that we've been in, I need to get over 398. We get over 398, I'm going to get long all day. Okay, we get over 398, I'm going to be looking for a price target of 400, 405, 406, 407, somewhere in that vicinity. I'm going to take multiple contracts and I'm going to scale on the way up. Those are the two plays that I'm looking for. Let's try to stay away from the chop unless you're a scalper, unless you're a little bit more experienced and you understand how to play your levels. If you're a newer trader, definitely wait for the bigger trade. If you're an options trader, definitely wait for the bigger trade. Just be patient. Over 398, get calls. Below 392, take puts. Below 389, reload those, and then obviously cover into 380. Around 380, I would look for some sort of bounce, and if the market's going to continue to be weaker, it'll lose that 380 again, and then you can take your macro short position there. I hope this video helps you guys. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure to join the Discord. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys all later.